After serving probation for unlawfully carrying a gun, this Gen Z thief got busted breaking into a car and stealing another firearm. Did he take responsibility? No, he blamed his alleged ADHD. Judge Boyd's back and forth with him was both sad and comical.
And what did you learn from that probation?
To
Okay, you're gonna have to open your mouth and speak up.
not possess a firearm, just to be in a straight line.
We got a problem then, don't we? This is a theft of a firearm. So why are you doing this?
I was just at the wrong time at the wrong place.
No, the vehicles were at the right place. All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 11529, State of Texas versus Abel Martinez III. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record?
For the state of Texas.
Hector Garza Jr. for the defense.
All right, and are you Abel Martinez III?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Martinez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do waive, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft of a firearm? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I feel that he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Very much so.
Ms. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
No.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. State is silent on your application. They're taking in consideration NIMAG number 726-134, 726-135, JN 2140411. There's to be restitution, if any, to Joseph Wittenberg, Wittenburg, and Beatrice Soto Macias, and cause number NIMAG 726-135. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor. If I can have one quick second, Judge. to
Sure.
Confer with the state.
And Judge, just from listening, because I was going to say, we were silent on his application for deferred. We were recommending community supervision.
Yes.
That's correct.
Oh, no problem. All right, so, Mr. Martinez, did you understand that to be the plea?
Say it again?
Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
The only motion was when we were trying to set bond on the case, Your Honor. That's it.
All right, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years and that be a TAP evaluation. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offer, state exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're welcome. Showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are y'all requesting a PSI? Would you like to proceed to sentencing?
We can proceed then.
All right. So what is his criminal history?
Your Honor, he has one misdemeanor that he has done probation for and finished successfully. There was another that was dismissed, and then these situations are the only other things on this record.
All right, what is the misdemeanor probation?
I believe it was unlawful carrying.
Okay, it's not, it's either yes or no. And what did you learn from that probation?
So,
Okay, you're gonna have to open your mouth and speak up.
not possess a firearm, just to be in a straight line.
Well, we got a problem then, don't we?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a theft of a firearm. So why are you doing this?
I was just at the wrong time at the wrong place.
No, the vehicles were at the right place. You were not at the wrong time at the wrong place. You were where you wanted to be, and you were burglarizing vehicles. So why are you doing this?
I just wasn't in the right state of mind.
What, do you have mental health issues?
I got ADHD and other stuff.
All right, when I was growing up, you know what they said about ADHD? Go off in the backyard and run off some energy, go play. So ADHD, just because you have ADHD, if you do, that doesn't make you burglarize people's vehicles. So why were you doing this?
So needed money.
How old are you?
21.
So did you not have a job?
No,
So your job was breaking into vehicles. Why don't you have a job?
because I wasn't on the right path.
All right, are you employed now?
No,
So who's supporting you?
my mom.
So why don't you get a job?
Waiting on my ID. I went to go apply for ID.
Mhm. How long have you been without a job?
2 years.
Have you ever had a job in your life?
No,
All right, then that's partly parents' fault. I don't understand not having a job in all of your life. Did you graduate from school?
yeah.
That's either yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Which school did you go to?
Memorial High School.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
To get a job and then maintain a life.
Do you have any children?
No,
That's a good thing. All right. Here's the thing. I can grant you deferred. If you are not successful, you're looking at 2 years in the state jail facility.
yes, ma'am.
So do you want deferred?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,500 fine. That will be probated. In this court, when you're on probation, you have to get a job. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know what you've been spending your time doing with your mom, but here you're gonna get a job. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you're drug tested today, what are the results gonna be?
Good.
What does good mean?
Passing.
All right, have you used drugs in the past before?
No. Just marijuana, but I stopped.
That's a drug.
Yes, ma'am.
When's the last time you used?
Like 8 months ago.
All right, I'm gonna want proof of employment within 30 days. There's going to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. In this court, you're going to get full-time employment. So if you have to get 2 jobs to make it for a 40-hour work week, that's full-time, 40 hours a week. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you're going to do that. And because you want to be on probation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's important for you to knock whatever pride you have aside so you can get a job. So if it's working at McDonald's, if it's digging ditches, whatever it is, you need to do it. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. There's to take in consideration NIMAG number 726-134, 726-135, JN number 2140411, restitution and no contact to and with Joseph Wittenberg and Beatrice Soto Macias, and NIMAG number 726-135. Is he on GPS or anything?
Yeah.
I
when
believe he
tracking.
was, yes, sir.
All right. He's on track and he's to remain on GPS. Once you have employment and you've proven yourself to me, I may consider removing that, but for now, you're going to remain on GPS. You understand?
Okay.
So you know what that means? If there is any burglarizing of any vehicles anywhere, they'll be able to tell us where you were. You understand?
Okay.
So he's going to remain on GPS until further notice. 200 hours of community service restitution. If you obtain a certificate from a trade school or enroll in college and you need to take at least 6 hours a semester. If you do that, then your community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Yes, field visits, 1 time per month for 4 months, and then at probation's discretion. We can do tracking, but I'm going to want a curfew, and let's do a curfew for him at 7 p.m. With the exception of work. So if you're working and your work hours take you outside the 7 p.m., so your curfew is going to be 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. The only exception to that is work. That's it. It's not for you to run to the corner store, to go to the convenience store, or anything of that nature. If you are not at work, you're at home, and your curfew is 7 p.m. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right. This is your chance. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If you have an issue, let probation know. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. And let me explain something. This is just not Texas. This is all over. People do not like people taking their things. And when you're breaking into somebody's car, guess what? If somebody would have ended up shooting you and you would have died, you know what the public would have said? Oh, well, he was breaking into somebody's car, stealing somebody else's property. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do better. Good luck to you. Thanks, counsel. Yes. Are you ready on Holmes? Holmes,